Hello friends, welcome to H&N Health Tips. In my last video I had explained how horse gram is useful for weight loss. Horse gram is loaded with protein, dietary fiber, vitamins and minerals and is low in calories. This makes it an amazing food for weight loss. So here is my first recipe for weight loss by using horse gram powder. Ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup horse gram seed, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 4 tablespoon split pigeon peas, 4 tablespoon split black gram, 10 dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn and a little salt to add for taste. How to prepare? Dry roast the horse gram until the raw aroma is gone. Dry roast the split pigeon peas and split black gram until they change the color. Dry roast all the other ingredients and let them cool down. Then blend them into a coarse powder. Add it to hot rice and consume it to lose your weight. What is the best time to consume this recipe? Lunch time is best for taking this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. I will be uploading new recipe for weight loss by using horse gram. Please subscribe this channel to get the notification when new video is releasing.